It's summer. It's summer.
It's summer.
It's summer. It's the holidays.
It's the holidays.
For the holidays, I'm going to Canada. And you? Where are you going?
Where are you going? I'm going to Australia.
Ooh, wow. Where are you going?
I'm going to the beach.
Oh, the beach. Where are you going?
I'm going to Japan.
Oh, Japan. Okay. So, I'm going to Canada and I'm taking a cap. What about you?
I'm going to the beach and I'm taking sunscreen.
No, you can't. You can't take sunscreen to the beach. You say, I'm going to the beach and I'm taking a banana. Yes, okay. But sunscreen? No. Okay, you try.
Okay, I'm going to Japan.
I'm taking
a camera.
a camera to Japan? No.
Okay.
No. Manon, please try.
I'm going to Australia and I'm taking a backpack.
No, you can't. Listen, I'm going to Canada and I'm taking a camera and I'm taking a cap. I'm taking colors. Also, a lot of colors. So, you want to try again?
I'm going to the beach and I'm taking a bikini.
Yes! You got the secret key.
Okay.
I'm going to Japan.
I'm going to Japan. I'm taking a cap.
Nope, you can't. What about you, Manon? Have you guessed? Listen, say, I'm going to the beach.
I'm going to the beach and I'm taking a book.
Oh, book and a big...
Okay. I'm going to Australia and I'm taking an app on my phone.
An app, okay. An app, yes, you can. I'm going to Canada and I'm taking a soda can, okay? And you, well, it looks like Emily didn't figure out the secret key. Did you figure out the secret key? So, listen again. I'm going to Canada and I'm taking colors.
I'm going to the beach and I'm taking
A banana.
a banana. I'm going to Australia and I'm taking an apricot.
Ah.
Okay, I'm going to Japan and I'm taking
Jelly?
yes, jelly.
Jelly, yes! So here the secret key was you can only take things that begin with the same letter. Beach, bikini, Japan, jelly, Canada, a cap, Australia, an app, etc. That's one key. You can keep playing this game with a different secret key. For example, you can only bring something that begins with this, the first letter of your name. Okay?
Oh.
So I'm going to Canada and I'm bringing a banana because my name is Ben. Or you have to bring something that starts with the last letter of the word, of the country. Okay? There's a lot of things you can do with that. So have fun with the secret key. Bye!